Welcome to Mr. Pronunciation Guide, where we master the art of pronouncing some of the world's most commonly mispronounced words. From tricky terms to curious names, we have you covered. Today let us dive in and learn how to say Allah is the Arabic word for God, used predominantly in Islam to refer to the one and only deity, the creator of the universe. It is a sacred name mentioned in the Quran and Islamic prayers. Arabic-speaking Christians and Jews may also use it to refer to God. Allah, 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 Allah. Check out more videos on pronouncing tricky words and names with confidence. Avoid common mispronunciations with tips from this video. If you found it helpful, I would love your support. Thanks for watching and I will see you soon.